Okay.
Just trying to make a video to show you how I laid things out and what I had in mind. Here's the outer trim for these sections. And here's the straight pieces here. This should be about enough 1x2 for all the vats, I hope. For the plumbing, we're starting here with the kitchen sink, and then we go over here and pick up the washing machine, and then it drains down here. That part isn't hooked up yet, that would be done on site. And then the lavatory drains the other way and goes down there. And when you determine the center of the sink or the shower drain, then you would tie that in underneath. And here's the parts for the toilet. We'll go here like this, underneath. And this is the vent. It would tie in on site, and it goes up here, over, and then it exits out the sidewall up there. The supply is fairly self-explanatory. Here's the sinks. The shower comes up here like this to a valve. There's the washer and dryer. And here would be the water heater, and then it would tie in to the kitchen sink off the side. As far as electrical, I wired almost everything in 12.3 because it opens up the most opportunities, I guess you could say. You can switch to 220 later on if you want. And here is a 10.3 that's running over here to that can be used for a little stove or also for a big stove. And so with the 12.3 wires, many of them are going to a box, and then they split off and make two separate circuits. Here we have, this is the heater. It's 1300 watts. Here's the light, and the extra light there is for the fan. And my thoughts were that it would go up here and exit out of a can that was oblong like this, and go out right there. Let's see, for the wiring, here's a 12.3 coming in here, and it splits into two circuits. One goes upstairs. Here's another 12.3 that comes over here and splits. Here is wiring available for a water heater. And then over here, what I did for kitchen lighting is this switch here, it's for switched plugs. And the top of this plug and the top of this plug are controlled by that switch. And then my idea was you'd put LEDs up above, or plug those in, and then that would be how you control them. And then the other light here, this is a three-way switch here that controls the lights upstairs. So you can turn it on here, then go up the stairs, and then it's three-way up here. Oh, I forgot something back here in the bathroom. This is wired into the lighting circuit here, and when this wall gets built right here, then this would be a light for the vanity.
Okay.
And for the lighting here, this switch here controls that wire out there, and this switch here controls this wire, which is tied into that wire.
Can you do that again? Because I wasn't keeping up.
Oh, okay. This is two switches here. One goes to the outside, and one controls a light that would be here and here.
Okay. That's probably long enough to email.